Hey guys, and welcome to another Bricklink opening. Today we got another one. We just did one, so this is kind of a back-to-back video. I think this is going to complete a couple of things for us. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this. Let me open this real quick. This order was placed just a few days ago, and it's already here. It's crazy. They were really fast. I'm really happy with this group, although they did not give me an invoice unless it's in here. I do not see it. That's pretty cool. They have a packing machine, and they have a little thank you on there, so that's cool. Maybe some of you are familiar with the American company that does this, but yeah, that's really cool. So as you can see, these are all kind of stretched out here. All right. So as you can see here, I did get a few minifigs. I've been getting quite a few minifigs lately. First off, I got this one. This is an Octan. Looks like a worker. I liked him. I thought he might be good. We have a couple of Octan things, so I thought this would be really cool to have to go with it. So yeah, so we got that little minifig. See how hard these are to open. I'll just use my trusty knife. All right. I don't know if I like these versus the Ziplocs, but I'm sure they do it for cost cutting, so that's fine. I can't knock them for that. All right, so there's him, and of course we have Emo Boy. I forget what he actually is called, but I really like that out. I really like him. They had the girl as well. I almost got her from them, but it was just going to jack the price up a little bit more than I wanted to spend this week. I've seen her for a couple of dollars cheaper, so I figured, All right, these are the little green, each 1x1 round. These are going to be for our bumper car thing. I'm not going to open those because they'll go everywhere, but I will go ahead and cut this one. This is for the SUV vehicle that we are currently building. I've never seen those pieces before, so it was kind of fun trying to find those. But yeah, I got those, so that was cool. These were hard because I didn't have a list from the mock I was looking at, because the mock I'm looking at building or trying to replicate doesn't have parts on there. It was just basically a picture I think I found on Pinterest or something. So I didn't even know this was a part, and so I had to do a lot of searching just to find this, because I seen these rough edges that are on the bottom there, and I was like, oh. So I didn't know what those were, but yeah. All right, so there goes that. There's that. Let's see what else we got here. I got a painter, but he doesn't have the roller. I don't know if I remember if that was something I was looking at or not. But regardless, I have the painter, so I just need to get the roller. I think I can probably make the roller with the parts I have. Here's another cool character. This is from Fantastic Beasts. I forget her name. It starts with a P. I believe she was like the head of the American ministry. But I really like the hats. We love having characters of ethnicity. And she also has a skirt, which is pretty cool. It's kind of like sloped in the back. So yeah, it was a very cool character. Very excited to have her in here. Okay, moving on. I have blue pieces. I don't remember ordering black. I think I may have... Oh no, I did order black. That's right. They put them all together. It's kind of weird. I got blue pieces. These are for we have all the blue pieces that are in this order. I don't really want to open all those up, but those blue pieces are all for, we're going to raise up a railroad track, and we're doing blue and white as the color scheme. I don't know if I've mentioned this yet. I think we have showed off. Yeah, I actually did a video where I showed them off. But yeah, so we have more pieces for our SUV right here. So we're gonna have blue, kind of concrete pylon looking things. They're gonna be blue and white. Our transit authority, oh, I have another character here, this is cool. Our transit authority is gonna be blue and white themed. I plan on making like a blue and white, maybe a subway train. If not a subway train, it'll be like a tram or something. So regardless, blue and white is the theme for that. So that's where all of those come into play. Let's go ahead and break this up here. I think after that, we just kind of have random pieces for the most part. Yeah, these all can come out, that's fine. All right, these bags are a little different. I'm used to opening these kind. I'm not crazy about them, but like I said, I can't knock them for the cost. All right, more random blue pieces, and then of course all the black pieces that are in here. These are going to be for the SUV. As soon as I have that done, which this may complete it, I'm gonna include that as part of this video at the end. And I'm also gonna show the scene that they're for and from. All right, found another minifig kind of hiding over here. This one's pretty cool. This is I think this is from Lego Movie 2. This is like a SWAT character. Believe it or not, I didn't see a lot of SWAT characters, so I'm trying to do, like I said, we're trying to set up something, so I don't want to spoil what that is, but I do want a few of these SWAT. I wanted to get one just to see what it looked like up close, see if it's what I wanted. And I'm thinking, yeah, I thought he had a backpack with him too. I need to really start checking those. All right, of course we have all these white pieces. They kind of go with the blue pieces. Like I said, these are all part of some pylons that we're making. And like I said, also black pieces are for the vehicle that we're making. I have some gray pieces here. I don't remember what those are for. They might just be, I think I just ordered extra, but there's something there. I think they're part of the SUV maybe too. And of course we have some rims for the SUV as well. And yeah, we got several pieces here, several good pieces. I got extra wheel pieces while I was ordering those because I like vehicles, and I know we're gonna be making something else soon. All right, but yeah, blue and white, that's what all those are for. That's for the highway, gray is for that. These black pieces here, again, SUV. These blue and black pieces, all these in the bags, SUV. I got more of the red. So we have red, green, and there's one other color, I guess it's blue, that I need to add as well. It's crazy how they mix all these pieces in. And then I ordered 3 of the 1x8 black smooth pieces. I think these are, they only had 3. I think I needed 6, so that may be something that's holding me up. And then of course you got these little steering wheels. Oh yeah, some of these black pieces, a couple of these I think are actually for a train car I'm also making. That's right. It's like you kind of forget, I got like too many projects going on at the moment. But that's how it goes. When you have multiple ideas and you think, oh, maybe 10 parts will be able to complete it, and 10 parts can complete it, but not one shop has 10 parts. All right, got a couple of these. I believe these are what, 16x16 greens. Got a couple of those. That's what they had. If they'd have had more, I probably ordered more, but I need just those for filler. And then of course I got some Batman stickers. Love Batman stickers, so anytime I can grab some if they have stuff. And these are kind of cool. It's got like a little, I don't know what set this is from, I need to look it up, but it's got like a little diagram on the wall with like an old man that he drinks something and it becomes powerful. So that's pretty cool. Maybe like could be something with Ra's al Ghul maybe. Kind of reminds me of him. All right, so anyway, these are the sets. I'll come back and either just show pictures or I'll actually do a video showing what we've done. Our city is in kind of a bit of a disarray right now because we moved it and we're redoing it a little bit. We have something I have to construct in the coming weekend, part of the table. I do want to show off the tables too because our tables have I've kind of made the tables trying to think ahead of how I could do multiple levels, and so I want to show a cool little trick I came up with. I think that's going to work really well to create like a sea level. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let's go ahead and end this now and we'll be back.